Hey guys, ScarXFace22 here today, coming to you with a bike check. I haven't posted any on my YouTube channel yet, but let's get to it. It's a 2009 Fit Eddy V2 frame. It used to be white. I made it raw because it looked really bad after a while. I don't have any weld marks on it, but it's still like more of a gunmetal gray. I have an Ediie pivotal V2 seat, and then this frame has the built-in pivotal post. I have a Fit 25 tooth sprocket. I sometimes run 28, but I'm running 25 right now. I have Demolition D-Light cranks with the titanium spindle. Ediie PC twisted pedals. Standard KMC chain, but it's the heavy-duty model. Profile SS hub. Ediie 7KA chrome. Ediie Mike Aitken tire 20x190. I have just a standard bottom bracket. FBM headset, Fit stem with a S&M shield faceplate. I used to have the shield stem, but it's stripped out. Sunday color bars, they're 23s. Eventually gonna upgrade them to bigger bars. ODI grips with Ediie bar ends. They're pretty old, but they're pretty light and they work nice. I've had them for like a month. Stock Verde fork works pretty nice. It's kind of short. You see, I don't have any spacers. And then I have a Shadow Conspiracy front rim, stunt rim, and Animal GLH 20 by 2.25 width. Total weight of the bike is just around 23 pounds. I mean, it's really nice. It's come a long way, and yeah, I'm gonna be posting some more BMX videos on the channel. But thanks for watching. ScarXFace22 is out.